What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best coffee machines in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. So like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you're pursuing the top bang for the buck, we believe the right choice for you is the Hamilton Beach Two-Way Brewer. As the name suggests, Hamilton Beach Two-Way Brewer boasts 2 different preparation methods with a dual onboard function. You can enjoy a single cup of coffee whenever you want. But you can also choose the option with a pot that holds as many as 12 cups. This coffee machine comes with a scoop and brew equipment, making it easier to prepare your favorite coffee. In addition, the device is capable of precisely filtering and measuring whatever type of coffee you choose. There's also a volume selector that will allow you to choose between special settings when you want to prepare coffee. Using both sides of the machine and regular settings, the Hamilton Beach Two-Way Brewer comes with fully pre-programmed options. So users will be able to view the cup of their favorite coffee with automatic shut-off and other programmable functions. Thanks to the programmable timer and the clock, you'll be able to sleep those 5 more precious minutes in the morning because the Hamilton Beach Two-Way Brewer allows you to adjust drinking coffee for as much as 24 hours in advance. The packaging includes additional components that will facilitate the preparation process and make it more efficient. Specifically, there is a mesh filter that will deliver the option to add milk just your taste, as well as a plate for heating and maintaining heat. Thanks to the cooking power selector, you can choose between decaffeinated coffee, medium ground coffee, and premium roasted coffee to achieve the best and most intense taste or fine grinding. It should be noted that the short cup and travel mug are not included in the package and are purchased separately. The Hamilton Beach Two-Way Brewer has a wattage of 950 watts and comes in the size of 13.69 by 11.44 by 15.44 inches as well as a weight of 1.92 ounces. For the listed price, you just can't beat this coffee maker. The next product on our review list is the Keurig K Classic, to which we have awarded the title of the best pod coffee machine that can be found on the market in 2021. Keurig K Classic always prepares a rich, smooth, and delicious cup with the quality you would expect from a renowned company such as Keurig. This model features a set of touch keys that are very easy to use and will make you enjoy your favorite cup of coffee in the blink of an eye. Customers also have a variety of pod preparation sizes available. So they are certain to get the perfect cup just the way they want it, whether you like your coffee strong, smooth, decaffeinated, or flavored. You can make all your favorites with Keurig K Classic. With a large water tank of 48 ounces, you can enjoy a coffee capacity of up to 6 cups. Additionally, with this coffee machine, you'll be able to discover hundreds of types of K-Cup capsules of all the brands. They love Green Mountain Coffee, Lipton, Starbucks, and enjoy coffee and hot chocolate, tea, flavors, and more beverages. It should be noted that this coffee machine is compatible with Keurig's Classic series of coffee filter milk cups, which allows users to make their own ground coffee to allow refilling whenever needed. The Keurig K Classic has a water tank that is very easy to remove. Finally, for maximum energy savings, there is an automatic shut-off option. This option is quite easy to program, and the appliance will switch itself off after 2 hours of inactivity. So you don't have to worry about unwanted energy costs. One of the most important items is the regular removal of limescale and calcium that naturally settles in the machine when cleaning and maintaining. The Keurig K Classic comes in elegant black and has 13.3 by 9.8 by 13 inches. It weighs 9 pounds. Good stuff. Up next, we say check out the Bunn BT Velocity Brew, also known as the best professional coffee machine you can find in the market in 2021. Bunn BT Velocity Brew is known for its fast and rather reliable cooking capabilities. It will surely meet most of your professional requirements. This is a 10-cup coffee machine with an internal thermostat and a stainless steel water tank. Thanks to the thermal vacuum bottle with a double wall design, the device can keep your coffee warm for up to 2 hours. There is also a unique spray head that will give you complete enjoyment of your favorite coffee. The inner tank will keep the heated water at the optimum temperature so that your beverages will remain heated at a temperature of 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Bunn BT Velocity Brew is specially designed with a tank that can handle up to 10 cups of coffee in just 3 minutes and, at the same time, significantly improve the coffee extraction process. It comes with a 110-volt voltage as well as an 800-watt heater. It should be pointed out that the package does not include a warming plate, which is purchased separately. Bunn BT Velocity Brew comes in elegant black. It has a size of 9.25 by 2 by 14.25 inches as well as a weight of 10 pounds. Users are generally quite satisfied with this product, emphasizing its strength and beautiful and modern design. As for the shortcomings, there are not many objections, but the one that some users pointed out is that the device does not have an efficient way to measure the amount of water. It is made of metal and does not have a measuring mark on it, but this shouldn't be a problem because you can use any other measuring bottle when determining the amount of water. So overall, this is the best option for the pros. Thumbs up. If you aren't hesitating to spend a few extra dollars to afford a premium quality coffee machine for yourself or your loved ones, the next product is the perfect choice for you. Check out the Technivorm Moccamaster Coffee Maker, the best high-end coffee machine that can be found on the market in 2021. Filtered coffee has a very special and distinctive taste with this fellow, but you must use a high-quality coffee machine to achieve this. For more than 50 years on the market, this brand has managed to raise the taste of filtered coffee to another level of delicacy. The great advantage of coffee machines with drops like this one is that they're very easy to use. You can easily have them in your kitchen and enjoy a delicious coffee from the warmth of your home. If you're looking for a coffee machine with a long shelf life, then this Technivorm Moccamaster Coffee Maker home coffee machine may be ideal for you, your family, and your guests. It's easy to use, and you'll enjoy the delicious aroma of filtered coffee every hour. It's become very attractive to users due to its elegant design that maintains a somewhat traditional style of old coffee machines, but with completely modern lighting and color that will not go unnoticed in your kitchen. It has a large capacity of up to 10 cups of coffee at a time, and thanks to the innovative selector switch, you can also choose to prepare only half a jug instead of the whole jug, which takes only 5 cups of coffee. No matter how many you prepare, the result will be the same delicious taste due to the optimal temperature and the copper heating element. You can use the device without complications from the comfort of your own home, and you can easily wash it because it has a removable container for water. Also, it's quite resistant and durable. You can use it for many years, and despite the weather conditions, it will still provide you with delicious coffee in the morning. Also, it boasts an ideal brewing style. The temperature is 92 to 96 degrees Celsius for outstanding taste. Although it will take up a little more space than the average domestic coffee maker, it's also true that it'll give you a taste that other competing products on the market do not have. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. We have now reached the top and confidently say that the best overall coffee machine available on the market in 2021 is the Cuisinart 14-cup programmable coffee maker. This coffee maker provides the authentic taste and aroma of coffee with zero compromises. The coffee maker has a temperature capacity of 200 degrees Fahrenheit for fast boiling of water. The bold adjustment option allows you to extend the drawing length for a rich scent. It includes a bright blue LED light for a convenient operation. 24-hour automatic programmability delays the preparation time for coffee delivery at a certain time. There are several notable features of this 14-cup Cuisinart programmable coffee machine that will delight you. The option of a preparatory break is an essential feature for those who are always busy all day. This activity is excellent for getting a single cup of instant coffee before you finish the whole cooking process. Just take out the pitcher and serve coffee, then return the jug to the same place to continue the entire preparation. While removing the jug, the machine will automatically stop the preparation process. Therefore, there is no possibility of constant cooking, which can be the cause of coffee consumption. Cuisinart 14-cup programmable coffee maker has a thermal jug that keeps hot coffee for an hour. Compared to other types of heaters, its free handle allows you to hold it comfortably. The device contains a simple control button for more efficient operation. You can access the full button option to capture all the pens included efficiently. The button has a choice of 1 to 4 cups in bold. Clean automatically on, prepare off also, if you only need 1 to 4 cups of coffee at a time. You can provide it as the indicated option. Additionally, there is an automatic scheduling function that allows you to drink coffee at the desired time. Cuisinart 14-cup programmable coffee maker prevents chlorine and various types of contamination and the formation of calcium carbonate from inside the preparation chamber. You can replace the filter after prolonged use without replacing the entire machine. This coffee machine comes with a thorough cleaning button that saves you time and hassle. You'll get a premium performance here at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.